And welcome to another episode of Cooking with Curtis. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pickles. Pickles are pretty easy and quick to make. These are refrigerator pickles. I'm going to be pickling some cucumbers and some garlic there. For that we're going to need 2 cups of white vinegar, 4 cups of water, a bunch of garlic, some kosher salt. I got 6 teaspoons there, a bunch of dill, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of coriander seed, a teaspoon of mustard seed, and some black peppercorns. And so I already have most of these jars filled. You see 1 pickle per jar right there. That's just because that's all that these pickles will fit. Only 1 per jar. I don't have very large jars, so that's going in there. And I'm not slicing these up because they stay crisper if you don't slice them up. So I'm going to take this water and get that boiling. Take these seasonings and mix them together. And then add to each one. Okay, well, take the peppercorns. Alrighty, and as soon as this boils, I'm going to go ahead and add that vinegar. Alrighty, and now that our water is boiling, go ahead and take that off. I'm going to add our salt. Stir that up to dissolve. And then add our vinegar. Alright, now that I got that back up to temperature, I transferred it into this container to make it pouring more easy. And then I'm going to go ahead and just fill up these containers I have over here. Let's start with this guy. And I just barely, oh, I do have enough. There's still more in the pot. Excellent. Okay, and then you just throw the lids on and put them in your fridge. They will be ready to go in about 2 hours. They'll taste even better after about 3 days, and they can last up to about, I believe, 3 months. But you probably won't have them for 3 months, so enjoy.